Bay windows have long been a favorite architectural feature, and for homeowners in Frisco, they offer a unique combination of style, comfort, and practicality. As homes in this growing city continue to evolve in design and functionality, bay windows stand out as a smart upgrade that enhances both the interior and exterior of a property. If you're considering ways to improve your home, installing bay windows can deliver a range of benefits tailored to modern living. One of the most noticeable advantages of bay windows is the abundance of natural light they bring into a space. Unlike flat windows, bay windows extend outward, allowing sunlight to enter from multiple angles. In Frisco, where sunny days are common, this feature can dramatically brighten your home's interior. More natural light not only makes rooms feel larger and more inviting, but can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, helping you save on energy costs. Beyond lighting, bay windows create a sense of added space. Because they project outward, they effectively increase the usable square footage of a room without requiring a full renovation. This extra space can be transformed into a cozy reading nook, a window seat, or even a small display area for decor. For families in Frisco who value both comfort and functionality, this added versatility is a major plus. Another key benefit is improved curb appeal. Bay windows add depth and character to a home's exterior, making it more visually interesting compared to standard flat facades. In a competitive housing market like Frisco, this can make a significant difference. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the future or simply want to enjoy a more attractive property, bay windows can enhance your home's overall aesthetic and perceived value. Energy efficiency is also an important consideration for homeowners, and modern bay windows are designed with this in mind. With advancements in window technology, including double or triple glazing and improved sealing, bay windows can help maintain indoor temperatures more effectively. During Frisco's hot summers, they can reduce heat transfer, while in cooler months, they help retain warmth. This means a more comfortable living environment year-round and potential savings on heating and cooling bills. Bay windows also offer enhanced ventilation. Because they typically include operable side panels, you can open multiple sections to allow fresh air to flow through your home. This cross ventilation is especially beneficial during mild weather, helping to keep your indoor environment fresh without relying solely on air conditioning. From a lifestyle perspective, bay windows can significantly improve how you experience your home. They provide panoramic views of the outdoors, allowing you to enjoy your yard, neighborhood, or nearby scenery from the comfort of your living space. For many Frisco homeowners, this connection to the outdoors adds a sense of relaxation and well-being that standard windows simply can't match. Additionally, bay windows can increase your home's resale value. Prospective buyers often view them as a premium feature due to their visual appeal and functional benefits. Investing in bay windows today can pay off in the future by making your property more attractive to buyers and potentially boosting its market price. Finally, bay windows are highly customizable. Homeowners in Frisco can choose from a variety of materials, finishes, and styles to match their home's architecture and personal preferences. Whether your home leans toward a modern design or a more traditional look, bay windows can be tailored to complement your space seamlessly. In summary, installing bay windows in Frisco homes offers a blend of beauty, functionality, and long-term value. From increased natural light and additional space to improved energy efficiency and curb appeal, they are an upgrade that enhances everyday living while also contributing to your home's overall worth.